Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. Welcome to this brand new series all about business planning. I'm going to show you how to create a business plan from start to finish. This is your ultimate guide to creating a business plan. You may be a bookkeeper, an accountant, you may be a student, a finance student, an accounting student, a business student. Perhaps you are a business owner, or you're looking to start a business. Perhaps you are an entrepreneur. It doesn't really matter who you are. I welcome you and thank you for being here and taking this course. So let's have a quick introduction. So a few things before we start. I am the Bookkeeping Master. If you head over to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com, you'll find hundreds of free courses. This is just one of them. I specialize in bookkeeping, accounting, credit control, and business planning. Throughout this series, I'm going to show you how to create a business plan from start to finish. It's all going to be done on Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So if you have those packages or similar packages, then you should have everything you need in order to complete this course. If you would prefer someone to create a business plan for you, then just drop me an email, info@bpfs-online.com. All my contact details are on my website and will be displayed throughout this course. So feel free to contact me if you would rather a professional, an accountant, qualified accountant create a business plan for you. I'll be more than happy to help you. But that's enough of that. So let's get started. Business planning. There are two sides to a business plan. There is the financial side, which includes a number of financial documents, namely an expenses forecast, a sales forecast, cash flow forecasts, projected profit and loss statements, and projected balance sheets. And sometimes there's some sort of break-even analysis also included in the financials. Now, if all of these words are new to you, if you're feeling overwhelmed already, then please don't. I'm going to go through each one of these documents in detail, tell you what they are, how they're used, and also show you how to create them. Now, what you're going to have by the end of this course is your own business plan, but I'll come back to that in a moment. With a business plan, there's also a written side. So there's the financial side, which is generally done on Excel or similar. Then there's the written side, which is generally done on Microsoft Word or similar. And the written side of the business plan will talk about goals of the business, the background of the business, what you hope to achieve in running the business, challenges the business may face. And there'll be more details provided about that as this series goes on. So what to expect? Well, I think I've already explained what to expect, but let me bring up the template that I'm going to create with you. So this is Microsoft Excel, and this is the expenses forecast. There are tabs down the bottom here for the sales forecast, cash flow forecast, projected profit and loss statements, balance sheets. It's all down there. You just click on the tab and it takes you to the document requested. Most of this is automated. So as we put numbers in the sales forecast, they will appear in the cash flow forecast and also the profit and loss statements. Most of it is automated, and I'm going to show you how to create all of this step by step. If you are brand new to Excel, this may be too much for you. I do have free Excel courses on my website that will teach the basics of Excel. You may want to take them first and then come back to this business planning series. As long as you know the basics of Excel, how to add text, that sort of thing, then you should be fine. If you have some sort of experience with Excel, you should be able to follow along with this series. I'm going to show you everything from the formulas to adding borders to automating everything, and also explain what each of these statements or documents are for and why they are important. I will also go through the written side of the business plan. I won't show you how to create a template though, because it's simply using Microsoft Word and going through what would be included on the written side. All you need to do is write it and put the headings in. I do have a template that I can email to you if you just email me. So that's it for this video. You may be watching on YouTube or you may be watching on my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com. It doesn't matter which. If you haven't been to my website though, then please go and have a look. As mentioned, this is just one of many courses, free courses, that teach you all amazing things. All courses are focused around bookkeeping, accounting, business planning and finance. So if you're interested in any of those things or run a business, then the website should be a fantastic resource for you. There will be a link in the description below which will take you to part 2, where we will start creating the financials of a business plan and we will start with the expenses forecast.